The adventure at the airport. Lily was very excited. Today was her first time flying on an airplane. She was going to visit her grandmother in another city. Her mother took her to the airport early in the morning. The airport was big and busy. There were many people everywhere. "Look, Mom," Lily said, pointing at the big planes outside the window. "They are so cool." Her mother smiled. "Yes, they are. Let's check in our bags." They walked to the check-in desk. A friendly lady helped them. "Do you have your tickets?" she asked. Lily nodded and handed over the tickets. After checking in, they went through security. Lily had to take off her shoes and put her backpack on the conveyor belt. She felt a little nervous, but it was exciting too. "This is like a game," she thought. Next, they went to the waiting area. Lily watched other passengers. Some were reading books, while others were talking on their phones. She spotted a little boy playing with a toy airplane. "I want to play too," she said to her mom. They bought a small airplane toy from the airport shop. Finally, it was time to board the plane. Lily felt butterflies in her stomach. When they entered the airplane, it was big and comfortable. She found her seat by the window. "This is going to be an amazing adventure," she said with a big smile. The airplane took off, and Lily looked out at the clouds. She couldn't wait to see her grandmother and tell her all about the airport adventure.